morning, besties. Good morning. It is Sunday, period. It is Sunday, and yeah, it's a little after 7, and I have to quickly go and shower because church starts at 8. I've been chilling here in bed for way too long. My alarm went off a long time ago, but I've been chilling. And I think now I'm gonna have to run through the rest of my morning routine. But yeah, we're not missing church. And I prefer the early service. I mean, there's one at 11, but you know, the earlier the better. Then I have the rest of the Sunday to do whatever I wanna do. Okay, period. So yeah, let me go switch on the geyser and jump into the shower. And then I'll make my bed after. Okay.
Stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Feel inside, too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cup car. Betty's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city, and I ain't worried about it. Come too far.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death. God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone.
I'm running late. I just threw on this cardigan and a maxi dress. I just want to get some earrings, and then I can leave. Okay, let's go get a grab a handbag. Wait, let me lotion my lips. Let's go get a handbag. Okay. Let's go. I've opened the sliding door. That's why I'm closing that door so that the wind doesn't bang it when I'm gone. Oh. Guys, I still haven't had time to go wash my car. Hopefully today, okay? Yeah, hopefully. Let's vibe.
Told me I'm someone. Told me I'm someone. Know that I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Golly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Golly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again.
Come alive in the name of Jesus. Come alive in the name of Jesus. 'Cause this is the house where we bring everything to the feet of Jesus. In the name of Jesus. So come alive, didn't we come alive? Come alive in the name of Jesus. Oh, where we bring everything to the feet of Jesus. In His name, 'cause this is His house of miracles.
Anyway, it's after church now, and I'm going to get my car washed. Finally, it's been so dirty. But yeah, finally get to wash it. Like, the outside is horrendous. The top, horrendous. I can't look this pretty and driving a dirty car. Like, you know the problem about driving the small compact SUVs, right? They wanna charge us the price, like prices for big cars. Like, I'm not driving a Range Rover. Don't charge me a Range Rover price, please. My car is still small. Please. Yeah. So, please, I just really hope we don't have a problem with these people. Because the lady there was so kind. She's like, I'm gonna give you a price for a small car. So yeah, that's the thing I'm taking. That's the sleep I'm taking. So these people are gonna wash my car, and yeah. And I don't know now if what option. Oh, I mean, it's not bad. Yeah, let me just do that, and then yeah, it's a bit of a queue, but yeah, let's get into it. Let's go in. I'm just doing a wash and go. Yeah, wash and go. Like I said the other day, only the outside of my car is dirty, and we'll wash it properly when we come back from our little trip this coming weekend. So yeah, because we're gonna be driving long distance, it's gonna go dirty. So when we come back, then we'll give it like a proper wash, because we're using my car. So period.
Jesus, I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God.
Car is washed, car is clean. Look at that. It looks so clean. She's so gorgeous. She's so gorgeous. Anyway, I'm so happy. I did something that I've been meaning to do for days. And tell me when I'm done washing my car, I get invited to a car wash date. Please, people, why? So my colleague just had a baby and he's coming back to work. He's coming back to work this week. So me and my other colleague, we got baby stuff for my colleague. Look at that. It's so cute. We got stuff for, I think it's 12 to 18 months, although the baby's still smaller than that. How cute. Yeah, so I also got a gift bag. I couldn't find anything pink, guys. Let's just keep it moving. Let's just keep it moving. I just wanted to make sure I do this and finish it today, okay? Yeah, just take off the tags. I can't wait to be, okay, I'm lying, I can wait. I can wait. I was about to lie and say I can't wait to be in my mommy era. I'm lying. I can wait. The only mommy I want to be is a dog mom. Period. I love this romper. It's so cutie. Ugh, so cute. So cute. Ugh, let me take off the tag. So cutie. Yeah. So we all set and done. Yeah. I hope she'll love it. It's 11:45. I haven't eaten. I haven't had an appetite lately, honestly. So it's been hard for me to eat, which is good, which means less calories, and yeah, I'm losing weight. But yeah, I'm gonna go make something to eat, because now I eat even though I'm not hungry, just so that I can fill up my body, because I feel myself getting so drained throughout the day, mainly because I did not eat. But I could, I'm a cheat, like I'm not halaling anything, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I am not craving anything. So yeah, I'm just gonna make myself something to eat, something light. And then lately I've only been eating like not the main meal, but like dinner. That's the only meal of the day that I'm having, you know. So yeah, we need to do better. Anyway, let me put this away, and yeah, let me put it over here actually, so that I don't forget when I go to work.